Señorita, excuse me. Señorita, may I ask a question? Piscina en la mora primera vez, ¿está o listo pasar por aquí otra vez?
Ah,
By the way, ay, hablo un poco por favor de español. Español, señorita, nice meeting you. Buenos días. Yeah, I'm looking for a good restaurant here.
restaurant.
Yeah.
May restaurant diri mga kuan ra man sumayan.
Speak English, señorita. By the way, hablo un poco por favor de español.
English.
Yeah, English. Yeah, English only because I'm Spanish, Mexican, Spanish.
May
Yeah.
paniskwela ko tarong. English.
Yeah.
Restaurant.
Yeah.
You love mall, for example, mall.
Here in Cebu City, famoso restaurante, famous.
The famous restaurant.
Yeah. Do you have any recommendations?
I have recommendation famous restaurant, but not here. It's just a simple food.
How about here? How about
Here, I can recommend you this way tugbahay siomay.
So, can you please help me? Can you please help me? Yeah.
What do you like?
I want famous. Is this famous?
Yes, famous.
Famous? Yeah. What name of the food?
Siomay.
Shumai? By the way, señorita, hablo un poco por favor español, señorita. I'm looking for Pinoy food. Yeah, food. Do you have any recommendations?
Say ko ano dito.
Shumay kuya, shumay.
Siomay lumpia.
Yeah. Is that delicioso, señorita?
Lami na.
Come again?
Lami.
Señorita, by the way, hablo un poco por favor español. I'm looking for, is this famous?
Famous?
Yeah, Pinoy food.
Yeah.
Yeah, why famous?
Because of the kanang yum, kanang delicious.
Do you have any recommendations?
Shumay.
Shumai? Is that delicioso? Yeah. By the way, I try to find some delicious food here in Cebu. I try to find it. Can you please tell me where? You don't know? Okay. Señorito, do you have any recommendations? What food I want?
One food.
Yeah. By the way, what is this place?
This is Tisa.
Tisa? Okay. Taga diri ka?
Tayo may kulatahol.
Sige, ka-vlog.
Biktima is good.
Bay, ka-vlog rin.
Sumbo balik kani.
Ka-vlog rin. Unsa man ito? Unsa ni lugar dito rin?
Antisa.
Ma'am, unsa ni lugar dito, ma'am?
Ha?
Unsa ni lugar dito?
Kontisa.
Tisa dito.